Things are beginning to change here in Scutari, thanks to the leadership and devotion of one Florence Nightingale. She is on her feet 24 hours a day, giving what comfort she can. They're so devoted to her. They kiss her shadow as it passes by.
One may dare say a more heroic woman has not graced the earth since Joan of Arc. Romantic rubbish.
Oh, you're getting excited again, John.
It's an outrage. You'd think she was chief of the medical staff. Ugh!
You'll never believe this. Miss Nightingale wants to leave for a bit. She wants to take a few others and go with Dr. Sutherland and visit the hospitals on the front.
There. You see, John? Now's your chance to regain control of Scutari.